The undergraduate musical theatre programme at Welsh College has been created to respond to industry demand from agents and casting directors and potential employers who really want to see young musical theatre actors entering into the workplace with a very solid set of skills across all of those interdependent disciplines of acting, singing, dance and voice. The ethos of the course is to train musical theatre actors with a really good work ethic, who are able to work skillfully, creatively, and cheerfully with other actors across a variety of professional settings. The college places a great deal of emphasis on working with contemporary leading practitioners. We bring in directors from the West End, from Europe and beyond, and musical directors and choreographers to work with our students on our public productions, forging potential working relationships with future employers. We're launching this course at a point where we see the musical theatre industry around us at a point of huge change. Our module in creative process will put our students directly in contact with our industry partners at the forefront of that changing industry. So in the first year of the undergrad, we really front load it with skills training. You'll be doing projects in improvisation and text and rehearsal, so working on excerpts of plays with a director. In singing, there'll be group and individual, technical and repertoire training. There's a module in spoken voice where you're looking at the physiology and production of the spoken voice. The dance and movement module will cover jazz, ballet, tap, street dance and contemporary movement for actors. There'll also be a module in integrated process, which is the place where we can examine, assess and try out putting all of those skills together. Obviously, the holy grail of musical theatre is to have all of those skills integrated in a single person. We have an ongoing programme of invitations to leading performers to come and work directly with our students. Recently, we've had Lin-Manuel Miranda, the writer of Hamilton, and musical theatre actor Luke Evans to come and work and talk to our students about their experiences in the industry. The second year of the musical theatre undergraduate programme will see the students continuing their skills training. They'll be broadening that skills training in the areas of singing, in the styles of dance that we study. We'll look more into Latin, ballroom, partner work. At the end of the second year, quite crucially, we'll have what we call the Bridge Project. And that's when the students have the opportunity to practice a full production with full stage management and design support before they go into public productions in the third year. We will have 2 fully resourced public productions and an industry showcase where we invite the agents, casting directors to come and interact with our students. We will do that in Cardiff and London, and for our North American students as well, we will do a New York showcase. We're really looking for individual creative personalities who want to come and work with us and other people, who know how to work generously within a group so that other actors and directors will want to work with them.